Today we're going to find out what happens when you pull a bag of chips into the deep ocean. And afterwards, if you can handle your spice, we'll add some heat. Alright, I already loaded the bag into the deep ocean chamber, which we'll be using to simulate the descent. For all you keeners out there that made it through the balloon episode, you probably know what's coming. But I'm curious to see if this bag actually punctures or not. Let's find out. So what's happening here? Well, as the external pressure around the bag increases, so does the internal pressure inside the bag, and this causes the nitrogen gas molecules, which keeps the chips fresh, to pack in tighter and compress in volume. This inverse relationship between pressure and volume for gases, within a fixed temperature and amount, was discovered by an Irish chemist, Robert Boyle, back in 1662. I don't know about you guys, but I'm curious to see what's in the bag. Let's see what we have here. That's strange. It feels like there's a large clump inside, so water did get in, but the bag is still sealed, which is interesting. It's possible that at high pressures, the water molecules were forced through the polymer packaging. I guess it's not completely impermeable. I don't hear any pinhole leaks anywhere, and I don't feel the bag collapsing. Let's open this up. Huh. Looks like some kind of futuristic cookie or something. Alright, I think this time we'll do the test again, but we won't go as deep to see if we can crush it without water penetration. The bag still sounds fresh, judging by the sound of the chips rattling inside. I think we just created microchips. I assume water didn't get inside. Let's check it out. I guess lowering the pressure did work. Wow, it's so fine. You can almost snort it. Muy picante. Alright, I figure someone in the comment section would bring it up, so I'll try a can of Pringles so we leave no stone unturned. Let's go. We can see that the can failed right away at the lip once it hit 4 meters. At least now we know to bring a bag of chips instead of Pringles on the next dive. Just don't go too deep if you like your chips fresh. That's it for today. If you guys want to learn more about Boyle's Law, here, Check this out. Maybe next time we'll try the one chip challenge. Let me know what you guys think. Or we can try something different, like M&M or M&Ms with wrapper, or not.